on Govardhan, and then it was worshipped by the Bengalis, the Gaudiya Vaishnavas. So one time they were so, now there's some transcendental jealousy in one sense. So the Vallabh Sampradaya, the deities, the Vallabh Sampradayas, they are predominantly in Vatsalya Ras. Gopal deity, if you look at him, he's got his finger like this up. He's the 7-year-old Giridhari. He's 7 years old. So they have this bhava of Vatsalya Ras. All the Pushti Margis. And they were so much in love with that deity that they wanted seva. So what they did one time, they burned the huts of these Gaudiya Vaishnava pujaris while they were doing seva. And then as soon as that happened, they heard about their huts being burned, they dropped their seva and they ran to save their belongings. So then immediately this Pushti Margi says, aha, see, they are attached to their material belongings and they left the seva of Gopal. So they don't deserve to serve. So from that day onwards, they took over the seva. And till today, the Pushti Margis have that seva of Gopalji. And they are amazing. Their seva is so amazing that they have really kept him happy. He doesn't want to leave Nathdwara. Actually, it is said that he is so much attached to that seva. You see that diamond there? It is said that Aurangzeb tried to steal that diamond. It is so big. It's a huge Kohinoor. Huge. Really big piece. And this is the richest temple in India. The Nathdwara temple. We're talking about even in terms of dollars and pounds. There is no comparison. And the devotees have so much faith, especially the Pushti Margis, when they come, they give so much in donation. There when you go, Madhvendrapuri Pad's deities are served very nicely. And they are amazing deities.
More than Tirupati?
More than Tirupati.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. They tried to make a big temple. The temple is small. And they wanted to, they are donors, the Ambanis and all, they wanted, but they cannot because there is a very special window. And Srinathji has to have the darshan of the Dhruv Tara. Dhruv Maharaj is eternally present in the Dhruv star, the North Pole. So, if they have to make a bigger temple, that means they have to break that area and then Srinathji won't get the darshan. So that is the reason. And the crowds are amazing. People line up into the streets. They overflow. But everybody gets darshan. But it is still a very small hall if you really compare. It's probably half the size of our Toronto Mandir, the hall of Srinathji. So it's amazing. So Madhvendrapuri Pad ki, Brahma Madhva Gaudiya Sampradaya Acharya Guruvar ki, Gaur Premanande, Radha Ramana Lal ki. Hare Krishna. One last thing, Prabhupada used to always glorify the Radha Raman Parivar, the devotees, and he said that Radha Raman devotees have the highest standard of deity worship. We should learn from them. On the Radha Raman devotees, on the altar, there is, I forgot to mention, there is a very special seat of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. It is known as the Pat, or in Bengali it is known as Hoki. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's kopin, his garment, is also present that the pujaris worship. And also they have a Gunja Mala. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had given. Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami had gone to Jagannath Puri. And Gopal Bhatta Goswami wanted to go to Puri, but Mahaprabhu's instruction was to stay in Vraj. So he did not leave Vrindavan. But when Rupa and Sanatan came back, Mahaprabhu gave these 3 items. So what does those 3 items indicate? Number 1, that Gunja Mala indicates that serve and decorate Radha Ramanji very nicely. And you see the decoration of Radha Ramanji is Avdhut. It's amazing. Every day there is a different dress. Second, the seat or the platform of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is there. What does that indicate? That indicates that please have the highest order of renunciation. Have the highest order of renunciation and always chant the holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And that is the adhikar of that person. One who follows Mahaprabhu strictly has got that seat. That is the indication. And the third is, his kopin is also meaning that please be renounced, be a Baba. Don't get attracted to material things. This is the meaning of this and this personal item. So Gopal Bhatta Goswami got these things. Sanatan Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami got the thumbprint of Mahaprabhu on Govardhan Shila. So wherever Mahaprabhu sees a very special devotee, he gives. Rupa and Sanatan Goswami were given special instructions by Mahaprabhu in Haridwar and in Triveni Sangam. And another special devotee of Mahaprabhu is Srila Prabhupada. Gauravani Pracharine. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave the blessings to Srila Prabhupada to specially preach Gauravani. And he became the commander-in-chief of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's band of Sankirtan. Prithvi Ade Nagar Adigram Sarvatra Hoibe Nam Mor Prachar. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, in every town and village, my name will be spread. And Srila Prabhupada was given that blessings to do that. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki. Om Premanande. Hare. So what are we doing?
Aarti.
Okay.